How is the new Fiverr business account more affordable? For just $30, your business account will provide you with affordable services from both freelancers for an entire year. The most affordable options, service costs, will be chosen for you depending on the size of your projects. One of the main reasons as to why this way of managing a business is so much cheaper is because you don't pay an hourly rate to workers. Instead, you pay for the work, and only once it's done and you're satisfied.
Simple steps: find priorities for business, organize the objectives for time constraint. Thereafter, we get your team set up and assign professionals to assist in improving the quality of your projects.
The services offer data entry, marketing to brand design, illustration, graphics design, digital marketing, writing, translation, video, animation, music, audio.